Hi, today I'm gonna discuss with you how to add your Namecheap domain to your Shopify store. Let's come to the computer screen and see how to do it. Here is admin panel of my Namecheap, and you can see a domain name here, and in right side you will see a manage option. Click this. Here you have to go to advanced DNS, and in advanced DNS you have to put some records here. Add a new record, and first you have to click CNAME record, and here you have to put www, and in target you have to put the existing domain name of Shopify. Here is the Shopify store, and I'm going to setting, and you can see the domain name here. I'm gonna copy it and put it here, and then use automatic, or you can set some time. I'm going to select it automatic and click save. Now you have to put another record here, which is our record, and here you have to put @ and the IP address of your Shopify, which is 23.227.38.65, and here you will select the automatic and save this. So one side has done. Now we will go to the Shopify. Before going there, I am going to copy this domain, and now here is the admin panel of Shopify, and you have to go to setting, and in setting you will find an option of domain. Click here and then connect existing domain. You have to paste it here and click the next. You can see the domain has connected. Now you can verify the connection. Click here. Now you can see our Namecheap domain has connected to our Shopify store. So this is a way how to add a domain name of Namecheap to your Shopify store. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Keep watching the next one.